Okay guys, so as you can see, I am spray painting. I got these white baskets or buckets, whatever you want to call them, from the Dollar Tree, balling on a budget. And as you can see, I'm spray painting them the color of like a tin can. Okay guys, there you have it. So I don't have to worry about priming it first, because I did use a primer one time on another project and it was kind of messy. So this has the 2-in-1, so that's why it has the 2X on here. So it has the primer already in it. So this color I'm using is metallic aluminum. So here we are. This is what I've been dealing with, okay? So no judgment zone, right, okay. So you guys, this is what my laundry room has been looking like for a very long time. Let's just say that, okay? It probably haven't been organized, I mean, or even attempted to be organized since I moved in. Okay, so we are about 4 years in now. And so I hope I can help someone or inspire someone to go ahead and get their laundry room together, because you guys, it really is therapeutic to do this. Okay guys, listen, don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. It's a long story. As we get to know each other a little more, I will share to you how this closet gets like this, okay? But at the same time, don't get me wrong, I'm not an organized person at all. Like, I try to be as much as I can, but for the most part, I'm really not. I've gotten better over the years, and so I just can't stand this anymore. I can't. It's starting to mess with my mental. So yeah, that's the reason why I am here today, and that's the reason why I am doing a lot of organization around my apartment. So yeah, this is a very, very small space. I have seen smaller spaces, but I do think, you know, after all the research I've done, I do feel like, you know, I got a little something to work with here. Even though it is a small space, I do think I do have a nice area to work with. So I'm going to try to make the most out of it. Earlier, you guys see me, if I haven't put it in the clip, I will pop it in the clips, showing you how I spray painted the organization buckets and things like that I'm going to be using. I'll let you know as I go along, once it's finished, where I purchased the things from, or either I will put them in the description box below. So without further ado, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming through. I appreciate you, and everybody's welcome over here. And if you're oldie but goodie, you already know what it is, baby. Welcome home. So let's go ahead and get started. But you guys, I am so overwhelmed right now. Like, I'm so overwhelmed. Like, as you can see, I don't know where to start. I don't know where to start. I'm just gonna start taking things out. So I got these baskets from Home Goods, you guys. They really wasn't that expensive at all. They came in a set of 3. I wish I would have got the 3rd one. So the smaller basket is $6.99 and the larger basket is $7.99. guys, I had to do it. I am so happy and so pleased with the way my laundry room turned out, you guys. Look at this. Are you kidding me right now? OMG. Hashtag Pinterest. Hashtag YouTube. Oh my God, you guys. Let's go in. So, I did all of this, you guys, for under 50 bucks, you guys. I had this little plant thingy prior to. I have this jar that I'm keeping the pots in prior to, so I didn't purchase those. So yeah, you're gonna learn that when you're organizing and getting your place together, you're gonna learn that you can actually, you know, refurbish or use things that you already have around your house, ladies. You don't have to, and gentlemen, you do not have to go out and purchase new items all the time. So this basket there that has miscellaneous on it, oh my God, I got that from Target. It was on sale. I got it for $7.99 at the time. I think it was $7.99 like I said, from Target. These little baskets here, they're holding my paint. As you guys know, I'm a new crafter. You guys, I'm turning into a crafter. Who would have thought? So anyway, I thought these little buckets were so great. I got them from the dollar section in Target. These on the top, these are the ones that I painted. So I just, keep some toilet paper in there. These shelves, you guys, are really deep. So I'm going to show you later on that I actually have appliances on the back row. Like, these shelves go deep. So yeah, I actually had, more space than I thought I had. You saw that back there. My crock pot is in the back there. These are bags like for wine and, just little accessories that you may need a little quick bag for when you're leaving your home. As you can see where I have the detergent and everything set in. But let's just take a look at this. I am so proud of myself. This looks amazing, if I say so myself. I really hope you guys like this. I hope it inspires you. These little blessings that I got, these little stencils, got those from Dollar Tree, you guys, as well. I had them in my bedroom and somewhere else in the house, and I decided to move them here. These command little gadgets here. This is for your mop and your broom. I'm gonna put those on the wall eventually. As you can see, you guys, I'm just getting started, so I'm gonna see how this layout functions, and then I'll probably give you guys an update, because I'm learning that just because you're decorating and setting things up don't mean that it's gonna be functional for you. You gotta set your space up, you guys, according to how you operate in your space. I'm right-handed, so a lot of stuff I take from the right first. So, just like things like that, little small details like that will help you organize your closets and everything. So yeah, I'm grateful. Like I said, under 50 bucks, you guys. Gavin approved. So yeah.